Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent English Café. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tony. Anna, can I tell you about the most embarrassing thing that happened to me at work last week?
Oh no, what did you do?
So I'm in a meeting with my boss and three other people. Everyone's talking about the new project.
Okay.
And I have this brilliant idea in my head, like I really think it could help.
So did you say it?
I tried. I opened my mouth and said, maybe we can, the thing is, I think,
Oh no.
and then I just stopped. Everyone looked at me, my face turned red, and I said, never mind.
Tony, that's painful.
I know. And the worst part? After the meeting, my colleague told me, that sounded like a good idea. Why didn't you finish?
Because you got nervous.
Exactly. And that's why we're doing today's topic. We're talking about how to actually speak English at work without freezing like I did.
Yes, today is all about real workplace English. Not boring grammar rules, just the phrases you actually need to sound confident at your job.
And before we jump in, I want to ask you something. Have you ever subscribed to a channel and then completely forgot about it?
All the time.
Yeah, me too. But here's the thing. If you subscribe to Fluent English Café right now, you're going to see our videos every week. And every week, we're giving you real English that actually works in real life.
And honestly, we make these videos because we love helping you. So if you hit that subscribe button, you're telling us, yes, make more of these. It really motivates us.
All right, so Anna, let's start with the basics. What's the first thing you say when you walk into your office?
Oh, easy. I say, good morning.
That's it? Just good morning?
Well, sometimes I add something, like, good morning, how's everyone doing? Or, good morning, happy Monday.
Happy Monday? Who actually says that?
I do, and people smile. It's friendly.
Okay, fair. What if you're not a morning person? What if you walk in and you're grumpy?
Then you still say good morning, but you say it quietly.
Good morning.
Exactly, like that. You don't have to be cheerful, but you have to be polite.
What about when you see your coworker in the hallway, the person you see every single day?
I usually say, hey, how's it going?
How's it going? That's so natural.
It is. And they usually say, good, you? And I say, same, same.
Same, same. I like that.
It's casual, it's quick. You don't need a long conversation.
Okay, but what about meeting someone new, like it's your first day and you meet your team?
Then you say, hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
And they say,
Nice to meet you too. Welcome to the team.
what if you forget their name immediately?
Oh, that happens to me all the time.
How do you fix it?
Later, I ask someone else. I say, hey, what's that person's name again? I completely forgot.
That's smart.
Don't pretend you remember.
Never pretend. It's worse when they find out.
Okay, so greetings are done. Now let's talk about the hard part, asking for help.
This is where people get nervous.
Why?
Because they think asking for help makes them look stupid.
But everyone needs help sometimes.
Exactly. So you just have to ask clearly.
What's the best way to ask?
The simplest way is, can you help me, please?
That's it?
That's it. Or you can say, I need some help with something.
What if it's something specific, like the printer isn't working?
Then you say, can you help me with the printer? It's not working.
Okay, let me practice. Anna, can you help me with this computer? I can't log in.
Sure, let me take a look. See? Easy.
But what if I don't understand instructions my boss gave me?
Then you have to ask. You can say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you explain it again?
Will my boss think I'm dumb?
No, your boss will think you're smart because you asked instead of doing it wrong.
That makes sense.
Always better to ask than to guess and make a mistake.
What if I already made a mistake?
Then you tell someone right away.
How?
You say, I have a small problem, or I made a mistake with this file. Can we fix it?
Just be honest.
Yes, hiding mistakes makes them worse.
Okay, now I want to talk about something scary. Talking to your boss.
Oh, this makes everyone nervous.
How do I ask my boss for a meeting without sounding rude?
You use polite language. You say, could I talk to you for a minute?
Could I talk to you, not I need to talk to you.
Right. Could I talk to you sounds respectful.
What if I need to leave work early tomorrow?
You ask, would it be possible to leave early tomorrow? I have an appointment.
Would it be possible? That sounds very polite.
It is, and you give a reason. That helps.
What if my boss gives me way too much work?
That's tough, but you can say it politely.
How?
You say, I have a lot of tasks right now. Can we talk about priorities?
Priorities?
Yes, priorities means what's most important. What should I do first?
Oh, so I'm not saying I have too much work. I'm saying help me know what to do first.
Exactly. It sounds professional.
Anna, you're good at this.
I've had a lot of bad bosses. I learned how to talk to them.
Okay, now let's talk about meetings. I hate meetings.
Everyone hates meetings.
But I still have to talk in them.
So let's make it easier. First, if you want to say something, don't just start talking.
What do I do?
You say, can I say something? Or, I have a point.
So I ask permission first.
It's polite, and it makes people listen.
What if someone says something and I agree?
Just say, I agree. Or, that's a good idea.
What if I don't agree?
Then you have to be careful. Don't say, you're wrong.
So what do I say?
You say, I see your point, but maybe we can try it this way.
I see your point, but... That's nice.
It shows respect. You're not attacking their idea.
What if someone in the meeting talks too fast and I don't understand?
You stop them. You say, sorry, could you repeat that?
And they won't be annoyed?
No, they'll just say it again.
What if I still don't understand?
Then you say, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say it slower?
Didn't catch that. That's a good phrase.
It's very natural. Native speakers say it all the time.
Okay, here's another situation. I finish a task and I want to tell my boss.
Just go to your boss and say, I finished the report.
That's simple.
Or you can say, the task is complete.
What if I'm waiting for someone to send me information?
You ask, do you have an update? Or, what's the status?
Status means the current situation, right?
Exactly. Like, where are we with this project?
Okay, now let's talk about being late, because I'm late sometimes.
We all are. Traffic happens, trains get delayed.
So what do I do?
First, you call or text your boss. Don't just show up late.
What do I say?
You say, I'm so sorry, but I'm going to be about 15 minutes late. My train is delayed. Exactly. Then you just start working. Don't make a big deal about it.
What if I'm late because I overslept?
Don't say that. Just say, I'm sorry, I had a delay this morning.
So I don't lie, but I don't give all the details.
Right. Keep it simple.
Anna, let me ask you something. Have you ever offered to help a coworker?
All the time. It makes you look good.
What do you say?
If I see someone struggling, I say, do you need any help?
And if they say yes?
I help them, and they remember it. Next time I need help, they help me.
It's like building friendships.
Exactly. Work is easier when people like you.
What if I see someone looking for a file on their computer?
I say, are you looking for something? I can help you find it.
That's specific.
Yes, specific help is better than general help.
Okay, we've covered a lot. Let's talk about some quick phrases everyone should know.
Good idea. Let's do this fast.
When someone helps you, you say.
Thank you for your help.
When you don't know something, you say.
I'm not sure. Let me check.
When you make a mistake, you say.
My mistake. I'll fix it.
When your computer isn't working, you say.
My computer is frozen.
When you want to encourage someone, you say.
Great job on that.
These are all so useful.
And they're all short. You don't need long sentences.
Okay, now I want to do something fun. Let's practice a real conversation.
All right, what's the situation?
You're my coworker. I need help printing something.
Okay, go.
Hey, Anna, I'm having trouble with the printer. Can you help me?
Sure, what's wrong with it?
I don't know. It just says error.
Did you check if there's paper?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Let's go check together.
Thanks so much.
No problem. See how natural that was?
Yeah, it didn't feel scripted.
That's real workplace English, just people helping each other.
All right, let's do another one. This time, I'm asking my boss for a meeting.
Okay, I'm your boss.
Hi, Anna. Could I schedule a short meeting with you this week? I have some questions about the new project.
Sure, how about Thursday at 2 o'clock?
Thursday at 2 works perfect. Thank you.
Great, see you then.
That felt professional.
It was. You were polite, clear, and you gave a reason for the meeting.
Okay, one more. I'm late to work.
Call me.
Ring ring?
Hello?
Hi, Anna. It's Tony. I'm really sorry, but my bus broke down. I'm going to be about 20 minutes late.
Okay, thanks for letting me know. See you when you get here.
Thanks for understanding.
Perfect. You apologized, you explained, and you gave a time.
And you weren't angry.
Because you called. That's the key.
All right, before we finish, let's talk about a few important words people need to know.
Yes, workplace vocabulary.
First word, deadline.
A deadline is the final day you must finish something. Like, the deadline for this report is Friday.
So if the deadline is Friday, I have to finish by Friday.
Exactly. Not Saturday, not next week, Friday.
Next word, colleague.
A colleague is someone you work with. It's more professional than friend.
So I can say, I'm having lunch with my colleagues.
Perfect.
Next, full-time and part-time.
Full-time means you work about 40 hours a week. Part-time means you work less, maybe 20 hours.
So students usually have part-time jobs.
Right, and most adults have full-time jobs.
Next word, remote work.
Remote work means working from home or anywhere that's not the office.
So I can work from a coffee shop.
If your boss allows it, yes.
I love remote work.
Me too, but some people prefer the office.
Next, priorities.
Priorities are the most important tasks, what you should do first.
So if I have 10 tasks, I ask my boss, what are the priorities?
Exactly. What should I focus on?
Last one, feedback.
Feedback is comments about your work. Your boss might say, I have some feedback on your presentation.
Is feedback always negative?
No, it can be positive too, but it's always about improving.
So I should say, thank you for the feedback.
Yes, even if it's critical, say thank you.
All right, everyone, we've covered so much today.
We really have. We talked about greetings, asking for help, talking to your boss, meetings, and so much more.
And honestly, you don't need to remember everything we said today.
No, just pick 1 or 2 phrases and try them this week.
Like maybe tomorrow you say, good morning to your team.
Or you ask your coworker, how's it going?
Or you tell your boss, could I talk to you for a minute?
Just one small step, that's all you need.
And you know what? We have a question for you.
Yes, we want to know what's one phrase you're going to use at work this week.
Write it in the comments. Tell us what you're going to try.
We read every single comment. We love hearing from you.
And it helps us make better videos for you.
Before we go, if this video helped you, please subscribe to Fluent English Café.
We make videos like this every single week. Real English, real situations, no boring grammar lectures.
And hit the like button. It tells us you want more videos like this.
Also, share this with anyone who's learning English, your friend, your coworker, anyone.
Learning together is so much better than learning alone.
All right, everyone, thank you so much for being here today.
We really appreciate you. We know you could be watching anything, but you chose to learn with us.
That means a lot.
Remember, speaking English at work isn't about being perfect.
It's about being clear and confident.
Even if you make a mistake, it's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers.
So be kind to yourself. You're doing great.
All right, we'll see you in the next video.
Keep practicing. You've got this.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.